Hi, I'm Phil Tierney, Product Manager at Epson America, and we are here at the Epson booth for InfoComm 2023. And what we're highlighting in this station is our EB-PU2200 Series. So this is our series of projectors available at 13,000, 16,000, and 20,000 lumens, available in white and black. And what we're highlighting with the black models here is really the advanced engineering and all the innovation that goes into our projectors. So these projectors are really built for live events and for the rigors of going through the live events, but they're also perfect for fixed installation. They have really unique features in them: liquid cooling, sealed optics, mechanical shutters, they're filterless. So really advanced technology that our engineering teams work hard to innovate over time. Also very compact, small, and precise. So we've worked from our previous series to bring the size of the chassis down to get to this small form factor. So what you see here is 20,000 lumens at about 56 pounds. Very strong image quality as well, 4K enhancement technology. So if you want to get 4 million pixels on screen, all of the projectors in this series are able to achieve that. So really precise and compact, but also great image quality. If you'd like more information on these EB-PU2200 series of projectors, please visit Epson.com.